Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can crop videos on CapCut PC. So the button is right here, but if it's not there, you probably haven't clicked on the clip, so select it first and select crop. Here you have some crop ratios. You have 1:1, which is the square one, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, and 9:16. You can also use the free one, which means that you can crop it however you want here. And you can also rotate it and then crop it, and then these edges will be cropped out. So I'm just going to choose this 1:1 and kind of rotate it to just show you guys that it's going to be cropped as well. Select confirm, and I'm just going to change the aspect ratio here to 1:1 too, so it matches with the video. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!